Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're frustrated with Netflix flickering on your TV in 2025, you're in the right place. This issue can ruin your binge-watching sessions, but don't worry, I'll walk you through simple, effective fixes that anyone can try. Whether it's a smart TV, streaming device, or older model, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. First, start with the basics. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable Wi-Fi signal is often the culprit. Make sure your router is close to your TV and test your speed. Aim for at least 5 megabits per second for smooth HD streaming. If it's spotty, restart your router or try a wired connection if possible. Next, power cycle your devices. Turn off your TV, unplug it, and do the same for your router and any streaming devices like a Roku or Fire TV stick. Wait about 30 seconds, then plug everything back in and restart. This quick reset can clear temporary glitches and resolve flickering issues. Now, update your apps. Head to your TV's App Store or Settings menu, search for Netflix, and install any available updates. Outdated software can cause compatibility problems, especially with 2025's latest features. Adjust your TV's display settings too. Go to the picture or advanced settings and switch to a standard mode like Movie or Standard. Sometimes, settings like refresh rate or HDR can trigger flickering, so experiment a bit. If that doesn't work, try a different HDMI port. A faulty port might be interfering with the signal. Swap cables if you have extras on hand. For smart TVs, check for firmware updates in your TV's system settings. Manufacturers release patches to fix bugs, and this could be a game changer for 2025 models. If you've tried all these steps and the problem persists, it might be a hardware issue. Reach out to Netflix support or your TV manufacturer for personalized help. There you have it, easy fixes to get your Netflix flickering under control. Give this video a like if it helped, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.